Are you planning to explore Equatorial Guinea but worried about its visa process? Well, Equatorial Guinea offers an e-visa to Indians and its application process is quite easy. In this video, we'll break down the Equatorial Guinea e-visa requirements, application process, tips, and make it super easy for you. So let's get started. To apply for the Equatorial Guinea e-visa, you'll only need two things. First, a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity. Second, a recent passport-sized photo. That's it. Now let's look at how to apply. Applying through Atlys is quick and convenient. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Visit the official Atlys app or website homepage and search for the Equatorial Guinea. Step 2. Select Start Application and upload or click your photo and the front page of your passport. Step 3. Carefully fill out the remaining details in the application form. Step 4. Pay the visa fee and wait for your e-visa to be approved. You can easily track it on the mobile application. Please note that additional documents may be requested after your application is submitted. Go to the visa website and sign up using your email ID. First, fill out the visa form by entering your personal and travel details. Second, answer a few basic questions asked during the process. Third, now please upload all required documents, including your passport, hotel bookings or invitation, the inviter's ID, return flight tickets, travel insurance, the original yellow fever certificate, and a passport photo. Fourth, pay the visa fee online and complete the process. Fifth, you'll get an email with your visa result. The Equatorial Guinea e-visa is typically valid for 90 days and allows a single entry. Ensure your travel dates fall within this period. Here are a few quick tips before you go. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date of your arrival. Print a copy of your e-visa and carry it with you during your travel. And that's everything you need to know about applying for your Equatorial Guinea visa. Whether you're heading there for nature, culture, or business, you're now fully ready to take off. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your travel plans. Safe travels and see you in the next video.